right, that's setting up your office. We're getting ready to get some phone calls is what we're doing. That's what I really want. I want to get you ready to get some phone calls from sellers. Okay. Step 2, right, was the marketing, right? The marketing. All right, y'all all know how I find my facilities, right? All the different strategies of finding facilities. And you know how I do this is driving for storage, right? And using Google Maps. All right, Kathleen did a great job. I know she's here. She taught us some secret stuff that only storage nerds people know about how to find facilities online. But essentially you're going to be online looking for facilities and then calling owners. All right, and I get into how to do that in the course, but you want to be using Google Maps, and you are using Google Maps to find facilities. And I'll give you like one tip, one good tip, right? Is one of the ways that we find them is Google business listings, right? Checking Google business listings. And then you want to just think about when somebody wants to rent a storage facility, right? Where do they go? They go on their phone and they open up Google Maps, and then they just type storage near me, right? Storage near me, storage near me, or something like that, right? And then all the storage facilities come up. You can't see that because it's all blurred. But essentially all the storage facilities in the area come up. Oh, there's a lot of storage facilities in here. And then you can go through and check them to see if their Google business listings are filled out properly. Okay, so it's one of the many ways to find storage, right? And this is like the grassroots level, right? This is not like, let me just go look on the MLS, because guess what? Every storage facility that comes up in the MLS for Georgia, I get notified, right? My realtor is looking for storage facilities for me on the MLS every single day. Why? Because he wants to make some money off of me. But guess what? I got an email from him in a long time for a storage facility for sale on the MLS, right? And then if you go on to like Crexy or LoopNet, everybody is like, if it's a small deal, you got way too many people trying to get those deals. And the numbers are not good. So you want to be talking to the owners directly. All right. And I teach driving for storage, or I teach Google using Google business listings and Google Maps. All of my students that just joined here, they all came to the boot camp a couple of weeks ago, and we spent the entire time, not the entire, but a lot of time going over like all the different ways to find facilities. And then also in the super simple self-storage course for all of my students, all those ways are all there. There's a whole bunch of different videos in there that you can watch, and it gives you all the different ways and how to do it. Okay, so if you have not watched those videos to my students, then essentially that is your homework, is to get your marketing going, right? Because you can't put any offers in until you find deals. So essentially step 1 is finding deals, right? Getting out there and looking. And I talked to so many students today, man, all my coaching calls today, and like everybody's finding deals. It's awesome. Y'all are all getting out there and looking for some deals. So many good deals. All right, I'm just so excited about this deal. I have one of my students, man, she got a good deal. I can't wait to buy this sucker. 720 units for $3.6 million. Good deal. Such a good deal. So we're getting that one under contract right now. And then we got a lot of good deals. Anyways, I'm so excited. Okay.